imagine that you're 15 again and that everything's exactly the way you remember it. You live in the same house, go to the same school, you even hang out with the same bunch of friends. Nothing's changed, except for one thing. You now know and understand how money works. You know how to make smarter money decisions, you know how to avoid making stupid ones, and you know the importance of saving and investing. And you know all this at 15. I'd like you to consider what an impact this would make for the rest of your life. My name is Marilyn Pinto, and I'm the founder of the Kids Finance Initiative, an education company that specializes in training teens how to make smarter money decisions. We want to see a world where more teens are equipped with this critical life skill so that they don't repeat the mistakes of the past generation. In the last 4 years, we've taught over 3,500 kids from all over the financial spectrum, kids whose parents could barely afford to send them to school, to kids whose parents were uber rich and multi-millionaires and even belonged to the royal family. We worked with some of the most respected institutions in the region like Emirates NBD, AXA Insurance, the TCOM Group, the Family Business Council Group, and we're regularly featured in the national press like Dar Al Khalij, Khalij Times, The National, Gulf News, Dubai Eye. But by far our biggest source of pride comes from the emails, texts and calls that we get from parents who tell us how much this program has impacted their teen's life.